Here's a way to create some nifty radial pattern effects, all using the material graph, no textures needed. Pulsating circle, starting with getting the UVs, shifting the coordinates to the middle, now they are minus 0.5, 0.5, then zooming in, effectively tiling the pattern 5 times. Length takes the result and calculates the distance from the center. In short, creates a radial gradient. Since we want to animate the effect using the time node, yet the results are huge, which is why the previews for both are black. If the time multiplier is set to something quite small, the effect reveals itself. And then the magic happens with the sign, oscillating our effect. If you prefer to have this transparent, using it with a sphere mask to nicely crop the edges. Don't forget to also set your material to masked, which is cheaper than translucent. And for the vortex spiral, I split out the coordinates so I can use them for angle calculations, using arctangent 2 fast, since we don't need the level of precision of the regular one anyway. And this calculates the angle of each pixel relative to the center, like in what quadrant it's in. Then normalizing the angle with 2 pi's, which is this odd value here. 2 pi's being a full circle in radians, essentially rescaling the output back to minus 0.5 and 0.5. Now, for a few more effects, just by screwing around with what we already have here. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching!